I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to archive ChatGPT chats using the ChatGPT website. I'll show you how to archive either a single chat or all of your active chats, and I'll also show you how to see your archived chats. First, let's walk through the steps to archive a single ChatGPT chat using the ChatGPT website. Step 1. Find your primary list of ChatGPT chats and then locate the specific single chat you want to archive. Step 2. Hover your cursor over that specific chat and then click the ellipses icon associated with that chat. Step 3. Click Archive in this menu. That chat will be archived immediately and will be removed from your list of chats. Next, let's look at how you can archive all of your active ChatGPT chats. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. The Settings window opens. Step 3. Click Data Controls in the menu on the left side of the window. Step 4. Navigate to Archive All Chats in this list and then click Archive All next to that option. A window opens asking if you want to archive all of your ChatGPT chat history. Step 5. Click Confirm Archive. You'll see a message letting you know that all of your active chats have been archived. And finally, let's walk through the steps to see all of your archived ChatGPT chats. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. The Settings window opens. Step 3. Click Data Controls in the menu on the left side of the window, and then click Manage associated with archived chats on the right side of the window. An archived chats window opens where you'll see a list of all of the chats you've archived. You can click any of those chats to open them in a window and view them. You can click the folder icon to unarchive and restore a chat to your primary list of chats, or you can click Delete to permanently delete a chat. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.